Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into learning how to use the Gantt chart timeline in Zoho Project, your full guide for 2025. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Zoho Project account. Once you're in, find and click the Projects tab. This is where all your projects are listed. The reason we do this is to choose the project we want to visualize using the Gantt chart. Now that we've done that, select the project you want to work on. Then, on the project's dashboard, you'll see various tabs. One of them is labeled Gantt. Click on that. This will take you to the Gantt chart timeline of your selected project. This is where we'll be doing most of our work. The Gantt chart timeline is a crucial tool because it helps you visualize your project timeline, understand task dependencies, and track the project's progress. Let me explain why this matters. It provides a clear picture of the project's status and helps in better project management. Next up, it's time to add tasks to your Gantt chart. On the left-hand side of the chart, there's an Add Task button. Click on it and fill in the task details. This includes the task name, duration, and the start and end dates. Once you've filled in the information, click Save. The task will now appear on your Gantt chart timeline. This step is essential because it allows us to add all project tasks on the timeline and see how they fit into the overall project schedule. Now, a unique feature of Zoho's Gantt chart timeline is the ability to establish task dependencies. To do this, simply click and drag from one task to another. This helps us because it clearly shows how tasks are interconnected and the sequence they need to be completed in. Lastly, to modify any task details, simply click on the task on the Gantt chart. A small window will pop up with the task details where you can make the necessary changes. This is important because projects often require adjustments as they progress, and this feature allows for easy modifications. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use the Gantt chart timeline in Zoho Project. Remember, this tool is all about helping you visualize your project schedule, track progress, and manage task dependencies effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.